Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add members on Telegram. To get started, let's open the Telegram app. Before this, make sure you have already downloaded the Telegram app on your device. So, you can see this kind of interface when you open Telegram. This is my group. Tap on it. In order to add a member to the group, tap on Profile. Here, you can see the Add Members option. Click on it and you can search for a person. So, if you want to add this person, just tap on it. And again, if you want to add another person, search like that and tap on the ADD button. So, you have successfully added members to your Telegram group. So that wraps it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.